For this basket, I'll be using 50 meters of 5mm Matilda braided cord in sage colour and a 16cm basket base with 38 holes. It's important to have an even number of holes for this stitch as the pattern is repeated every 2 stitches. A 5mm and an 8mm crochet hook. With a hank, keep the band in place and pull from the end with a knot. Start with the 5mm hook. Decide which side of the base you want on the outside and start slip stitching around with that side facing you. Continue slip stitching around until one hole remains. For the last hole, use the tail end to make the slip stitch. Make sure it isn't twisted. Pull the tail end through to the front and use it to create the look of a slip stitch to finish the round. Round 1. Insert your hook at the back of the slip stitch in the same hole as the tail. Pull up a loop with your working yarn and make a chain. This will serve as the first single crochet. You'll finish the stitch when you close the round. Single crochet around the base, continuing to insert your hook behind the slip stitches. This round and the next will be a bit tight. Ease this first round around the edge of the base. To close the round, insert your hook from back to front through the top of the first single crochet you made. Pull the loop through to the back of the round. The initial chain you made at the start of the round, combined with the loop to close the round, looks like a single crochet. Insert your hook here, pull up a loop, and then also add the back loop to your hook. Now pull up a loop through both loops. This serves as your first stitch. You're going to make a single crochet by inserting your hook through the front vertical posts of the next stitch. Be sure to pull up a loop level with your first stitch. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Continue repeating these 2 stitches around. Your last single crochet of each round will be through the front posts. Close the round as per the previous round. Now you can switch to your 8mm hook. Continue on until you have 6 rounds completed. cut the cord and close the round by completing the first stitch. Weave in the end.